Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to get notes on Instagram. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily get notes feature on Instagram. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now to get the note feature on your Instagram, all you need to do is to open your Play Store or your App Store and then search for your Instagram. Now once you open your Instagram over here, you can see your Instagram. My Instagram is supposed to be updated. So to get the note feature on your Instagram account, you need to make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. So you have to update your Instagram to the latest version in case your Instagram is not updated to the latest version. Now so let me click on update and then update my Instagram. Now once my Instagram is updated to the latest version, all you need to do is to just open your Instagram and then you click on your DMs. You can see the message button at the upper right corner. Just click on that and you can see my note feature is here. So now boom, you can see my note feature is activated now. So you have to make sure you update your Instagram application to the latest version so that you can get the latest features of your Instagram application. I hope this video is very helpful. Follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video